The sunglasses holder console in my car drops every time I hit a pothole.
Bad boy right there. Let's get it. Peekaboo. Alright, it's out. Got the connectors off. Connectors are let me get my right there. So this is the old one. It doesn't stay closed. And this is a new one. So now we gotta put it together. Alright, it's time to reinstall. I'll put this baby back. Baby back. Baby back. Yay, it worked. Not me sound surprised. I thought I broke it for a second. Alright, we got lights. Now we gotta close. Yo, I'm done. Shee, and look. It works. It works. Now, it opens and it closes. Hey!